Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
See, electric vehicle is a way forward now, and I think it's slowly catching up. I think consumers and also the government is very interested in the environment and saving the environment for the future generation. So I think this is the way forward, and it's very economical also.
See, we need certain help. The government has already framed policies as far as the electric vehicle issue is concerned. So they already have a specific metering system for electric vehicles. So the how you can say, the charges for an electric charging meter is separate. So that has already been done. Also for the electric vehicle, also they have no road tax. We expect government to help us a little more by also removing the infrastructure cess which is there on the electric vehicle, like in our neighboring states like Maharashtra and Karnataka or Telangana. They're not charging anything, just the basic processing charges. So if government could do that, at least for a specific period or specific number of vehicles, then it will give a big push to the electric vehicle thing, and people will like to shift over for this cost benefit.